Yo, what's up guys? I'm Deni and I'm back with another video. And for today's video, I'm building a PC. I got all the parts right here. The total is $1,200. Look at this. I already opened this a little bit. Sorry, you guys don't get to see the satisfying part. I mean, you get to see it a little bit, but yeah. But over here, my sister's computer, I'm downloading Windows. I got my little flash drive inside. It's at 20%, so that's like 2 gigabytes so far because it's 8 gigabytes. I think maths, I'm too good at maths. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alrighty guys, this is all my PC parts. Now let's go into depth about them. This right here is the Ryzen 5 3600 CPU. Look at it, beautiful. Then over here you got the B550 motherboard, also beautiful. Right here, you got the RAM, 16 gigabytes, also beautiful. You got right here 1 terabyte SSD, looking pretty nice. Then right here, you got 1660 GPU, so cool, oh my god. I got my 2 fans right here, 140 millimeters. Then, last but not least, I got my 650 watt, 80 plus gold power supply. And look at this. This right here is the NZXT H510 case. Look at it. Whoa, beaut. Finally, the PC is done after 5 hours of building. You know, I didn't build nothing. My sister just carried me the whole way. So yeah, literally I wouldn't have a PC if she, if she didn't know all the stuff about PC. You know, I didn't put a single thing in here. I don't know any of this stuff, if I'm gonna be honest. But look, it looks pretty nice. I got my Wi-Fi antenna thing to make the connection stronger. These are literally the only parts we use, just 2 screwdrivers. This is the Windows, the flash drive. Here's all the boxes. I don't know what this is for. But yeah, that's the finished product. Alright guys, it's finally here. This isn't the official setup. We're just keeping it here to see if it finally boots up. So, let's see if it actually works. Let's click the button. Bruh, look, it's a light. Let there be light. I don't have a lot of RGB. Look, I only have 3 things with RGB because I didn't want it. Look at that. So beautiful. Air. I'll just do it this way. Just booted up the PC. What is this? That's the only thing it shows. What do we do? Alrighty guys. Well, last video, it worked, yeah. For like 2 minutes. GPU fricked up. You can't even see it really. There it is. We switched GPUs. You can notice if you go back in the video, you see that it's now different. See, it said gigabyte right here. Now it says like GeForce. So here is the biggest deal in the whole world. Boom. Looking good, looking good. Alright, turn off, turn back on. Well, I gotta start it and look at the watermark. Bruh, don't roast me. Don't roast me, my guy. Alrighty, guys. 5 days later, kept forgetting to record this clip. And now, I gotta peel this little sticker off, or the glass peel, whatever. So yeah, let's do that. I did a little bit, Alright, let's see this super satisfying. I saved it for you guys. Hold up. Ring, ding, ding, ding. Eh. Look how cool I am. Hold up. Ring, ding, ring, ding, ding, ding. Yeah. This really is satisfying as frick. Oh, got some action down here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Still got the sticker. I'm gonna have to scratch that off. I don't know what that thing is, but a little sticker thing. Bruh, so nice. Completely gone. Look at that. Bruh. Got my little Wi-Fi antenna. Look at that. Look at inside. The RGB. RGB RAM. Motherboard. I got some fans. Here is my desktop. I don't have a monitor yet. My setup is not fully finished. I changed my keyboard finally. I got Ducky 1.2 Mini. My mouse pad and my new mouse, they're both coming in. Look at this. Put up against, or put higher with the Pokemon book. Super cool for school. Jet from Valorant, honestly best character. Let's see what games I got. I got Roblox, Valorant, Hyperscape, CSGO. Freaky, it's like Pixel Gun, like on mobile, but just like PC edition. Got Fall Guys, and I got Rainbow Six Siege. You know, I got Steam, Uplay, Roblox Studio, Discord, GeForce, and NZXT cam. Look, I got a Steam card, so cool. This is my Xbox controller. I don't have my Xbox anymore. I think maybe in last clip you could see that I have my Xbox. I sold my Xbox because next gen is coming out anyways. I don't want it anymore. That's the original headset right there. Here's this headset. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If I don't finish editing fast enough, then you'll see the setup will finally with the mouse pad and the new mouse. And yeah. And boom, there you guys go. This is the final setup. Sold my Xbox because new gen is coming out. 2 months, can't freaking wait. This is the headset that came with the Xbox. Couldn't sell it to them. They didn't want it. This is my headset. I just need to buy a Microsoft adapter thing. Cause you see like this button right here, the sync button. I need some adapter thing to sync it to my PC. Speaking of the PC, look at that. I just need to get some RGB fans to look more cooler. I need to get a cooler from NZXT for like $280. Need a little bit more money, you know what I'm saying? I got my controller. I used to play Fall Guys. That's the thing to charge a controller. Oh, my little Wi-Fi antenna is still there. Yeah, this is my colorway. This is gonna be like my color, I guess. It's a weird color. It's like blue, purple, and it looks real white. Like, you see that? It looks white, but then it's like blue. I don't know. And yeah, this is my Ducky 1.2 Mini mouse. This is my glorious Model O mouse. Look at that. Glorious. You got a little light inside. Only 65 grams, or like 68 grams. It's a really light freaking mouse. You got my little thing right here. And yeah, here's to change the mouse pad, to change the colorway. And look at that. Fire desktop. Among Us, literally best game ever. It's actually really fun. You got my little Riverdale poster. You got me when I was a baby. Look at that baby boy. Look at that baby boy. And yeah, that's it for the setup. Alrighty guys, that's the end of today's video. Comment down below your freaking Steam name because I have no friends on PC. And yeah, see you guys next video. Peace.